This video is particularly for those like me who received their PAWS token, who received their airdrop using their Bybit exchange. So if you claimed your airdrop, your PAWS airdrop using your Bybit, there is a problem actually. Bybit is now removing our airdrop. Bybit is deducting our airdrop. The airdrop you received, if you were to check your Bybit account right now, you will see that it has been deducted. Just like you can see on the screen, you can see the screenshot from the Bybit account. This is the amount of airdrop I received. You can see the time I received it on the 15th of April 2025. You can see the amount of PAWS airdrop, over 103,000 airdrop. But as you can see at the top there, you can see auto deduction. The PAWS airdrop has been removed from my account. You can see it right there. You can see the amount, the exact amount of airdrop that I received was also deducted. So guys, I'm also receiving this same message from my various friends that actually use their Bybit to receive and claim their PAWS token. Let me just show you guys another screenshot. Right here guys, another screenshot from a friend. You can see the person received 9,986 PAWS token, and as you can see there, 9,986 PAWS token has also been deducted from his account. You can see it right there. So guys, now this is the problem we are facing. So some few persons have reached out to me in my DM complaining about this, but guys, don't need to bother about anything because Bybit has actually made an important announcement concerning this. This announcement should keep everyone at peace. Let me get to show you guys the announcement right away. You can see the announcement right here. It says important PAWS airdrop update, recalling and redistributing tokens. Due to an updated airdrop list provided by PAWS, we will be recalling and redistributing tokens to eligible users. You can see they said, please note, previous PAWS airdrop will be reversed as part of this update. A new distribution will be processed shortly based on the latest eligibility data. Then over to the last one, it says EEA users remains ineligible due to MiCA regulations. So guys can see this is the notice that was just released by Bybit. So this should put an end to the complaining and the uproar in this airdrop space. So guys, here is what happened. Some persons received more than they are supposed to receive, while some persons received lesser airdrop than they are supposed to receive. So so to correct this now, they are actually doing a recalling and redistribution of the PAWS token to everyone so that everyone will be on a fair ground. So this is a kind of a correction to what has been done, to the mistake that has been done. So you don't need to bother. You will receive all your tokens back. What you should expect is that you might receive a lesser token or a higher one depending on the kind of mistake that was made in your own account distribution. So guys, this is what you have to expect. So I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leave the comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.